And the University of Queensland in Brisbane, Australia, has a Van Niel Award in molecular taxonomy. And it's being awarded this year to the JGI's Nikos Kyrpides. And instead of bringing Nikos to Brisbane, we've brought Brisbane via Phil Hugenholz, an ex-JGIer, to the JGI to give Nikos the award. So, Phil?
Well, it's my great pleasure to present this award to Nikos. So this is an award in bacterial systematics and taxonomy, which is essentially the process of classifying microorganisms. And it was originated by Professor VBD Skirman, who's an Australian, that essentially is the father of bacterial systematics in Australia. And I had a little bit of overlap with him during my undergraduate. He's an enormous man, about 7 foot tall, very deaf, and spoke very loudly. But he really had a huge influence on systematics and making it more systematic, actually. And he originated this award based on Cornelius Van Niel, a very famous microbiologist who I didn't do any undergraduate work with. And Van Niel, of course, was well known for many aspects of microbiology, including photosynthesis, but he was also played a very large role in bacterial systematics, together with Roger Stanier. And so one thing that he and Skirman had in common is that they based bacterial systematics on phenotypic information, catalase and oxidase tests. And now we're entering, or have well and truly entered, the phase of molecular biology, and this is where Nikos comes in and applying genomics and phylogeny to bacterial systematics, which is really a huge revolution in the field. And one thing I will say that Nikos and Skirman and Van Niel have in common is their extreme passion for what they do. And I can say firsthand, I've seen Nikos doing his research at 3 in the morning, furiously fixing up and systematizing bacterial taxonomy. So I think this is a very well-deserved award.
Thank you. It's a great honor and a pleasure to receive this award from a legend of microbial taxonomy like Phil Hugenholz. And I'm certainly grateful to the University of Queensland for giving me this award. Although, as Eddie said, it would have been much better if they would have paid my ticket to go down under and pick it up myself.
Can you see the exchange rate?
So it's funny, somebody asked me today, earlier, what is this award? Why is it important? And for a moment, I paused and I started thinking. And I didn't answer immediately. And then I started thinking, it's obvious. We live in a microbial planet. Our own bodies, with at least in some sort of measure, are more microbial than they are human. So what could be more important than understanding the microbial planet? And JGI, I'm very grateful to JGI and DOE for recognizing the importance of that early on and being really at the forefront of changing this and contributing actually right now to more than 50% of genomes contributing to the microbial diversity. So it is in the name of this effort and on behalf of all my colleagues at JGI and DSMZ that have been contributing to that I'm very thankful to receive this award. Thank you.